this second part of this video. Got the hubs back for powder coat. These hubs were, I mean, definitely seen some abuse, so I just wanted to go with like kind of a hammered powder coat to even see some of this stuff. I mean, just to kind of hide that. I didn't want to really take the time to like smooth everything over and take away more material. So anyways, they're not perfect, but they're going to be definitely functional. So on the bodies, when you take them apart, you'll see on the underside, you'll see this, and this is this gear that meshes in with the other gear, so it locks the whole hub. That way, you know, your wheel and tire starts turning in four-wheel drive. So when you take this off, take this C-clip off, you'll be able to pull this out. There will be a retaining washer underneath of it. And within the body, if you're going to take the bodies off, which I'd recommend doing anyways, taking this all off so you can service this bearing, dude, be sure to hold on to this and the needles that are within it. They do not make this bearing anymore. They do not make a replacement. So if you lose everything or damage any of this, good luck. I have searched high and low. I couldn't find anything. There was a few people back in the day that either got this bearing or there was a replacement, but that ship has sailed. So anyways, we're gonna put this together. Now, you want to put this in. You want to tap it in. And flush against the body. Then you want to take some petroleum jelly and put it within the recess. All right, now that you have them in there, make sure that they're all flush. Like so. And you're ready to put this gear in. Oh, make sure that you put the washer like so in there. That's going to retain it within the body. Put it through. And here's kind of the tricky part, because C-clips, need I explain more? There you go. Make sure it's locked in place. And it's spinning good. There's the bottom part. All right. Now when you put the cap on, you can get the Warn kind of rebuild kit for gaskets. Here's the rest of the stuff that you'll probably won't use. I mean, there's screw for the caps, but I've seen a couple videos where they're not the same thread pitch. And I like to use stainless steel fasteners anyways whenever I can, so they don't get all corroded and gnarly. So when you do that, you want to take your cap, take the gasket first, and you want to work it around the gear prior to putting it on the body. All right, so you got your gasket on there. Now, what I did on the other hub is take some grease, put some dollops. Oh, we'll just do it the old messy way. Kind of convenient with my gun ran out of grease. But just wanting to put a little bit, some in there so it's nice and lubed up. Alright, that's done. And these guys, put some blue Loctite on them. Alright, so I have a little issue. I had to reclock this a little bit, slightly this way, so I could line it up on a different dowel, on the dowel hole. Otherwise, this wouldn't line up to be able to screw the cap down on the body. Now, we'll be able to line that up. It's lined up with the holes. And take our fasteners. There we go. Now it's in the free position. That spins freely. So when we turn this, turn it to lock, hub's all locked up. There we go. Easy peasy, and you have something old that's gonna work again and hopefully last for many, many more miles to come. Thank you.